Hey, John Crestani here. I've earned millions of dollars from Facebook's platform as a marketer, and I'm gonna show you how you can earn money with Facebook. And I'm gonna go over this for beginners and show you the #1 way that as a beginner with really no technical experience, no audience, no marketing knowledge, that you can start earning money from Facebook. But first, let's go through the different ways that you can earn money from Facebook. So the first is having ads shown on your videos. The second is fans, and I'm gonna go through each of these in depth. The third is brand collaborations. The fourth is stars, and last is events. Now, in order to get approved to have Facebook pay you for putting ads on your videos that you post to Facebook, it's absolutely ridiculous, the requirement. You need 10,000 followers. You need 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days on Facebook, 60,000 from lives. You need to be in a supported country and in a language that Facebook supports. Your videos need to be at least a minute long, and you need to comply with their community standards, their payment terms, their content monetization terms. It has to be original content, and you need to be what Facebook deems to be an established presence on Facebook, which is completely their determination. Folks, this is an absolute BS way to make money from Facebook. This is not happening for beginners. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Let's go on to the next one. The second way you can make money with Facebook is through fan subscriptions. And for this, you need 10,000 followers, you need 50,000 post engagements, you need 180,000 of watch minutes. It's absolutely ridiculous the amount of loops and hoops they make you jump through. Again, I mean, if you have no audience, right, you're gonna have to build it really quickly and get a lot of video watch. So brand collaborations, same thing. It's absolutely ridiculous. There's even more requirements for brand collaborations. For stars, now stars is an interesting thing. I didn't even know that Facebook paid people to get stars, but I guess on live streams, if you meet all these conditions, essentially you can earn a penny if somebody gives you a star on a live stream and you are somehow also enrolled in this program and this program, not beginner friendly, and events. I'm not even gonna waste my time with these folks. So where the heck do you make money with Facebook? How do you actually work with Facebook to make money just hanging out on your phone, on your platform? Where is the money, and how did I make millions of dollars doing Facebook? So the way I made money with Facebook, and the way I continue to make money with Facebook, is through a business model called affiliate marketing. To start with affiliate marketing, just to give you an idea, you join an affiliate network. Amazon is the biggest affiliate network, and they will pay you 5% of any products you recommend that people end up buying. When you sign up for their affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates, and what they do is they give you a link. You can post that link in a Facebook group, in a Facebook page, in a Facebook ad, in a direct message on Facebook. Maybe you're recommending a book. Maybe you're recommending a movie. Maybe you're recommending a music, CD. Whatever you're recommending, you could be recommending a list of camping equipment. You could be recommending a list of items to build your own computer. Whatever it is, the opportunities are endless. But when people click and end up buying the products that you recommend, you earn a commission. Now, it's not directly from Facebook, but this is the way that people are making money off of Facebook's platform. Real people who are just starting out, because let's face it, we all talk about products each day. We all talk about, oh, I saw this movie. Oh, those are cool jeans or cool shirts or whatever. What do you use to film that, John? We are all talking about various products all day. This just allows you to make money from it, as you should. Facebook's been greedy. Facebook is the devil. Facebook is an evil corporation, I'm convinced. They are the most worrisome corporation on the planet. I mean, it's run by a freaking robot.
Now I see you're trying to use your style over mine.
They don't want you to make money. That's why all of these different ways that Facebook has of making money, the ads, the brand collaborations, the fans, the stars, the event don't work for normal people. These are programs that are made for big brands who have relationships with Facebook and are brand friendly and all these yada yadas. Now, when you join an affiliate network such as Amazon, or my preference is ClickBank, or you can also join my own affiliate program where you'll earn 40% commissions and you will earn $2,000 to $4,000 for every single commission. It's a ultra high ticket affiliate program. If you want to learn more about my affiliate program or the other ones I'm mentioning, check out the links in the description. But when you start with affiliate marketing, you want to choose a niche. You want to choose a product category that you are excited about. It's something that you can get behind and you can really recommend to others, and you can work in that space for a while. Let's say, for instance, you're interested in investing. Well, recommend gold bullion to folks. Let's say you're interested in crafts and jewelry, right? That's another great product, or camping or kayaking, whatever that is. And the way to make money from Facebook is you take a product or a category of products like makeup that you're excited about and that you love talking about regardless of anything else. Because the fact of the matter is, when you're starting out in business, when you're starting out to create money for yourself, it's not going to come immediately. When you become an entrepreneur, you're not signing up for a job that's going to pay you the first hour you work. You're signing up for a career. You're signing up to be your own boss. And it's going to be a period where it's flat, and then you'll start seeing the massive money like I have. My business makes over $500,000 a month. I own an over 2-acre ranch in Malibu, which is one of the most expensive areas in the US. And I have a custom built house, which is like by famous architects and stuff, right? That's what I've been able to achieve working for myself, by myself, leveraging Facebook's platform as well as other platforms you can learn about if you smash that subscribe button and you check out some of my other content. So let's rehash here. First, you sign up for an affiliate program. I mentioned ClickBank, Amazon, and my own. You find a product category you like. Then what? Where does the money come in? Where do people find your stuff? Well, this is where there's multiple tactics and you can get crafty, but this is the number one way I recommend, is build a page or a group on Facebook around your specific niche. In my case, I'm teaching folks how to start online businesses. So I might open a page such as Moms Working at Home in Atlanta. Another example would be Freelance Designers United. I would talk about working from home and being an entrepreneur, because my educational programs, my coaching programs that my company works with people on to become online entrepreneurs are focused around online entrepreneurship and working from home. So I would create pages around those categories. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments if you're still following me or if I've lost you, because I really want to make sure I'm able to convey this knowledge in a succinct manner. I've been doing this for over a dozen years now, and I've made over $20 million, and I've helped thousands and thousands of students create their own online businesses. But because I have so much experience in this space, it's sometimes hard for me to really convey this on a level that folks just starting out can understand. Now let's go on to the third step, is you need to post content and post your affiliate link. Now you could just post your affiliate link on the page. Not many people will see it. What I suggest you do is you build your group. You invite lots of people to your Facebook group. You hope people will find it over time, and you put valuable content out there. You can just copy popular memes or images around working from home, from Google Posts, from TikTok, from Instagram, from YouTube, from wherever you find that content around working from home or becoming an online entrepreneur or some sense of motivation. And you want to post, for every promotional post you do containing your affiliate link, I would suggest you do about 4 other posts that are just valuable content. Maybe a local company or a nationwide company that's working that's hiring people. Maybe another one is a news article about, the pitfalls of working from home and how to stay focused. Maybe the third one is a meme of a funny kind of comedic take on working from home or online entrepreneurship. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if my analysis was accurate. Is anybody earning money from any of these ways with Facebook, right? I certainly haven't been able to. And if you enjoyed the content, give me a big hoorah! Because we're going to be making money on the internet right here. And make sure if you enjoy and you want us to catch more content and learn about the specific tactics to make money with Facebook, I have videos outlining these things step by step by step. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and then go check out my channel homepage where you'll see a video that's called Free Traffic Methods. And there I break down specific methods to getting commissions by sending DMs, by starting Facebook groups and pages, and other tactics around Facebook. So thank you for coming. See you in the next video. Bye.